Okay guys, I'm back again to the park, and I guess the day is spectacular. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but look at the sky. Nice blue. Beautiful. Bump on the road. I don't think I want to do that with the with the board. Oh guys, check that out. There's a sailboat. Oh, I gotta get that footage of that. Look, it's moving. Wow, that's cool. I've always wanted to have a boat like that. Always. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of far away. I'm gonna see if we can get near.
I'll put it back together.
That's really cool.
No, World War II minesweeper.
Oh my god, look at the detail on this stuff. Awesome. Like that. Oh, it has a little man in there and everything.
Oh, it's got 5 guys in there, or 6 guys in there.
Oh, there's
one inside.
another one there. There's another one all over the place. That's cool. Wow. You made it? Both of them?
Yep.
Nice. That's awesome.
I'm just saying, I just got to calibrate Joe. Got to calibrate the compass. He's got to get the shade so we can see.
Cool. God, you're filming.
Looks like you're divining for water.
Maybe we should just put these other batteries in. I'll just put this.
Yes, I already started shooting low. It's 29%.
All right, that's fine. It's flashing red, that's why.
That's cool.
I understand.
What if you change your mind? A couple of
Right.
And that's weight.
No, it isn't. Not for this thing.
Not thing.
This thing weighs 7 pounds by itself. Oh, pick it up, Paul. Just don't drop it.
I know that. Holy crap.
You ready, buddy?
Yep, ready.
getting this GPS fixed right now. And then I'll take it off GPS. That way it'll come back. If I ever want to come back, it'll come back right there. I'll push this button, it'll come back and land.
It reminds me of a hummingbird.
Yeah, it does sound like a hummingbird. How high can it go?
500 meters, but I can't fly.
500 meters is like 1,800 feet, 1,700
Wow.
feet.
Really?
That's crazy. I'm on a sailboat now. That's fun.
Automatic wind wherever I want to go. This is great.
About 20 minutes.
Oh.
Get him out of my crop water. That's funny. All right, Paul, just go across on port tack like you're going. Just head back to the water fountain, and I'll get in, kind of follow off to your port side.
I'm going to water fountain.
No, I've already had one incident with the water fountain. You filming with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, where are you going?
Yeah, I think you're going.
Well, go down towards it. Well, I can't sail and fly at the same time. I wish I could.
You gotta get to work on that.
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
I'm sorry, guys.
Everybody else could do that.
I love sailing, but I love doing this too.
You went past this thing. Try coming down here. Keep chopping. We're going to try to run down that one. Alright, a little ahead of the line. Buddy.
Oh no!
Here it goes. Man overboard. Starboard side.
Oh no!
Man overboard. I'll come back and land real quick.
Oh no! Poor boat.
Oh shit, there it goes.
That's nice.
Think about where it is. I don't know.
Oh my God, guys, that was super fun. Wow, that was a real drone, no jokes. That was not like, oh, you know, those $200 or $300 drone. This thing was the drone. It was fantastic. The boat, the drone. I mean, I couldn't ask for something much better. I was not expecting that at all. Like, that was just a coincidence. I have to go to work, and I was not supposed to stop by the park at all, but I did. And there's my skateboard. Wow, that was fun.